feeling? It's Big Grizz. I'm on Miss C's channel today. I'm actually finna do a quick video haul on Dollar General on some of the items I had picked up the day before yesterday. I just grabbed a few essentials for the house, some cleaning supplies, some pretty good stuff. Keep the house smelling good, clean, fresh, you know, all the goodies. So, I got the Clorox cleaner bleach. It's one of my favorites. It gets everything up. You can see it clear. And I also got some of this right here, some of this Lysol all-purpose cleaner. That's another one of my favorites, so I always make sure I get these. I mean, anybody who likes to clean their house is probably good about this for their house too. And I also definitely got this. This was a must-have on the rip, the disinfectant spray. I'll make sure I can see that pretty good. Just in case y'all might want to go get some yourselves. And I also got some of these. These are very expensive, but they actually worth having. Got the OxyClean. That's what we wash our clothes with. And they're actually really good to have too. They get all them tough stains out of the clothes. I love this stuff, and it smells so good. 100. And I also got some of the Snuggle. I want the green one, but this is all they had, so I picked this one up. I'm pretty sure this one will work good too, because it smells really nice. Snuggle's a good brand. Just the fabric, you know, softener. Keep the clothes smelling extra fresh. I love being fresh. Y'all already know that. Then over here, I got the 3-in-1 Suave. This is some good shower soap. It's also not just soap, it's a 3-in-1. So you can shampoo, condition your hair, and, you know, wash it with it as well. So fellas, you know, y'all see this around, grab that if y'all like using it. Pretty good stuff. The other ones I had bought, they were like the 2-in-1s. I couldn't find them before the 3-in-1s. So I finally got lucky to get that one. So I'm happy with that one. And then I just picked up a couple of CarMax chapstick, you know, squeezers. It's something I have because I hate dry lips. I don't like mine's being dry. So I picked up that. I actually got like 2 packs of them. The other one's put up somewhere. And over here, found some nice, different little color, you know, a little variety of washcloths to have. Just to have, you know, getting clean, washed up. A little something. It's an 8-piece set, so it's cool. I got that. Dollar General was pretty good. That's a good store to go to. So if you're just looking for different, you know, cleaning supplies or smell goods, that's probably the best place to go. I mean, they're expensive, but they worth getting. I mean, you're gonna find what you need in there, especially all-purpose stuff for the house and, you know, hygiene and all that. You know, it's always good to have great hygiene. So I hope all y'all doing well. This was a quick, you know, short, you know, video haul. But I just wanted to show y'all some of the items I picked up, and I hope everybody is blessed today and feeling good, because God is good all the time. God is great. And I hope y'all out there having y'all, you know, best time. This weekend's Friday, so hope y'all turn up and have some fun. I'm about to get off of here. I got other stuff to do today, so I love y'all, and I'll be back with y'all soon. God bless. Peace.